Hey, Mr. Scott.
How you doing, class? I'm here to help you out with the flame test. It's dark for a reason. We're going to be looking at the excited electrons of some various salt solutions, so it's pretty cool. Now, to go along with me, you're going to want page 11. Oops. You're going to want page 11 of your packet out, and you can see right there at the top it asks, we're going to determine what causes a solution to have a flame color. And we learned about parts of the atom, and certainly neutrons and alpha and beta decay can involve the neutrons and the unstable nucleus. But what about those electrons if we get those excited? So we're going to talk a little bit about that there.
I am so excited. You know why?
Why?
Because the secret word is helicopter.
Oh, that is cool.
Yes.
So if you get a chance, raise your hand after you get stamped in for the homework and say the magic word is helicopter, and your teacher might give you a bonus stamp for watching this video. So that's pretty cool.
Awesome. All right. So we're just going in order by the names of the chemicals. So you can write those down on page 11. And then what you can do is write down what you observe, color of the flame.
All right, for your Bunsen burners, obviously you want to watch the long hair, the sleeves. Make sure the sleeves are rolled up, long hairs tied back if I had any. I got my safety goggles on, safe at all times. I've got white paper down on the lab benches to prevent them from take two. All right, so basically what we got going on is we got them all lined up in the order that you see on your lab sheet here. These are all saltwater solutions. Big thing to remember with the flame, you want your sleeves rolled up, you want your hair tied back, safety goggles on, and the spray bottle, you want to make sure that you're not spraying it anywhere towards your lab partner. I've got white paper underneath here, and so now I'm going to spray it towards the flame here, away from my partners.
Did I notice that your flame is a little hot and crazy, Mr. Scott? How can we adjust the Bunsen burner so we see that awesome double cone?
Yeah, I think I got some residue left over from the last spray here, but I've got, that's a little bit better here. But if I wanted to open the barrel, that's going to allow more oxygen in, so that way I get that double cone blue. See, I'm getting a little residue left over. That's wild, but it's up here I'm not seeing as much. So I'm going to try this up here.
All right.
All right, now for you guys, make sure the Bunsen burner's safely on the ground. Okay.
On the table? Yeah.
On the table there.
We just want you to get the full effect here.
All right, so you can see the spray.
Yeah, it's good color.
So that's the NaCl. You're gonna now write down the color that you see.
Right here.
It's crazy.
So what solution are we on now?
All right, we have SRNO3, 2, and I'm gonna spray this in the flame here, and you notice the beautiful color that this one produces.
Ooh.
Yeah, I like that.
Even though you may like the color, make sure you only spray it 1 to 2 times max, because, you know, gotta conserve our solutions for everybody that loves chemistry.
We do.
We do.
All right, I have the KCl here. Looks like the flame's back to blue.
Ooh. So this is why we keep the lights out, because this one is...
That one's hard to see.
That one's hard to see,
but
yeah.
I could definitely see
I did see a little change.
Purple in there. Oh,
yeah.
I hope I didn't say that out loud. All right, here I've got the K2SO4. K2SO4. That one's a little harder to see.
Oh, you know what? Sometimes, if you get a little too close to the flame, you may spread it out. And then what you want to do is relight it as soon as you can, so that way there's not just gas happening. This is a good way to relight it. Just hang on to your partners. Hey, I'm back. Now we're on number 4. Why, Mr. Scott? How ladylike you appear today. I just wanted to, it's just the new lab coat. It's like superhero style. All right, so number 5. We're on number 5. This is LiCl.
Good.
Okay. See the direction of the nozzle. Ooh. That was a nice one. LiCl. Number 6. CuCl2.
Cool.
Ooh. And sometimes if you have 2 Bunsen burners like in a row like that, you might actually spray both of them unintentionally.
Okay.
All right. Next we've got CuNO3. The last time we saw this solution, It was in the copper cycle lab. Oh.
Whoa, surprising.
Whoa. That's pretty cool. Although it is a blue solution, it may produce a different color flame. NaNO3.
Good.
Here we go. Oh.
That was awesome.
Oh,
Whoa,
I got them both.
Cool.
In case you're wondering why we're playing the Pointer Sisters, because we're so excited. We're acting like electrons, which you'll learn about after you do this lab.
I did not know that.
Did you not know that? That we are so excited, like some
Is it
electrons
not
are.
true that you are a Pointer Sister yourself?
There you go. Ready? That was NaNO3. Now we're on Na2CO3. And pretty soon we're gonna learn what these names mean and how to write the formulas ourselves.
Cool.
Alright. We got 3 more. This is CuSO4. I'm gonna wait till it goes back to the blue.
Cool.
Ooh. See, some of them are pretty easy to see the color change. Some of them, you may have to spray it twice if you don't get it. Okay, SRCl2.
Ooh.
Oh, that was like perfect timing for the music. All right, and then we got one more. KNO3. Since it's dark, I gotta make sure I'm spraying the right direction. So. Did you get it?
Cool. Yeah, you can see that a little bit.
All right. Okay, so you're gonna write down the colors that you saw in your data table, and then you're gonna see if you notice a pattern between the formula and the flame color.
Okay, so we're gonna pause it right now, and then we're gonna come back with a mystery solution to end with. But for right now, as Miss Thorburn just mentioned, write down all the colors you see and look for any patterns. Like, do you notice any patterns with the potassiums or with the suffix, like maybe the chlorides? Take a look at any patterns, see if you notice anything with the colors. Better here. No, still going. This one I've got KCl. Make sure that it's spraying away from me.
Wait, number 2 is SRNO3.
SR, and I was gonna say, aren't they lined up?
It was. Oh, maybe it was one that we knocked over. All right, let's try that again.
All right, take 3. So the second one here is SRNO3. So I'm gonna spray that towards the flame here, hopefully. It's gonna be take 3. Oh my God. Take the cap